Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to email your teachers in your Canvas course. So once you have entered into your Canvas course, and let's say school has started and you may have English 1 or English 2, World Geography, Biology, all of the courses that you're enrolled in will be on your dashboard just like this. And you'll come over to the blue ribbon, click on the blue ribbon where it reads Inbox, and your inbox is going to pop up, and you will be able to choose the teachers that are your teachers that you would like to be able to send an email to. You're going to come over to your pen that says Compose. You will select the course that you want, so it should be under Favorite Courses, and you can pick the course that you want to send an email to. And let's say I'm picking my course, and I can pick my teacher that I want to send this to, and so I'm going to pick the teachers that I'm going to send this to, and then it's like the title of this is Canvas Inbox Assignment. And then I'm going to come down and I can type my message. Hi, my name is, and then you would put your name in the blank to your teacher to show that you know how to send them a message. I am going to get an A in your class this year. Okay. So you have sent a message to your teacher introducing yourself. You've only picked the teacher that you are submitting this course for. And then down here, let's say that in the future you might have to submit an assignment and you can't figure out how to do it. You can send that as a file here. You can also do a video upload right here. And that is how you're going to go into your dashboard, choose the class that you want to send an email to, the teacher that you want to send an email to, title and the subject of what the email is about, and then write your message and click send. As easy as that.